For smaller spaces and younger beginners, the Alesis Melody 61 MK4 is exactly the kind of keyboard that gets kids and absolute beginners excited. Compact 61 keys, 300 built-in sounds, accompaniment rhythms, built-in speakers and an accessory bundle, stand, bench, headphones on many SKUs. It's positioned as an entry model and is often priced in the $110 $160 range depending on bundle and seller, which makes it super approachable for hobbyists and families. The feature set is generous for the money: recording modes, lesson functionality and USB connectivity for simple home setups. Players who buy it say it's fun to use out of the box. The accompaniment rhythms and 300 sound patches keep practice engaging, and the included accessories mean you're not buying extras. The controls are simple and forgiving for new learners, though some reviewers point out that key action and speaker fidelity are basic, again, expected at this price. For practice and casual learning, it's a very practical, low-risk purchase and popular for families and beginners. Bottom line, if you need a compact, affordable starter keyboard with lessons and accessories included, the Melody 61 MK4 is a solid pick, highly playable for early learning and convenient for small homes. We share buy links in description box.